We're making coconut shrimp. We're making coconut shrimp for my Valentine. We're making this video for my Valentine. Today we're working with Just Cook the Damn Food. And we're gonna see what they do on their YouTube channel. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back. Today we're doing a collaboration video with our fellow YouTuber Just Cook the Damn Food. Can't wait to see what video they come up with for their Valentine. When I was in the supermarket, I came up across this coconut panko. I said, you know what, let's make a video on that. And I found these shrimp, they was on sale, so grabbed them too. They're pretty big too. All right, so we just pulled the shells off, and then we're gonna split them so they butterfly out. Tastes so much better. I don't know, it just seemed to taste different. And these shrimp are already deveined, so we just want to flatten them just so they look like this, and they just taste better this way. So now we're just gonna follow the package directions. So this is easy, guys. This is easy. They make it easy for you. So 2 tablespoons of water, and then we're going in with 2 eggs. I probably should have separated these, and so I can make sure I don't have a bad egg when we put it in. But hey, I figured we could just start over, get that shell out of there. All right, now we're gonna whip these up. I like to make them nice and frothy, get a lot of air into that egg. I know it's a simple little thing, but hey, that makes for great scrambled eggs too. All right, so now we got our dredging station set up. And I'm curious to see how much coconut is actually in this panko. So I was gonna buy extra, but I said, you know what? Let's just go with what they intend us to have. So there you go. There's some coconut in it. Yeah, I'm not a super fan of coconut, so I think that's just fine for me. All right, we got some Lawry's. We're gonna put that in our flour. Now we're not gonna put too much. We just don't want to have bland flour, so we just put a little bit of Lawry's and a little bit of garlic. Just a little bit, not too much. We don't want this tasting like fried chicken or something. So give this a nice little stir. Get that all incorporated. Guys, we're almost done. This is really just as fast. So now we're gonna flour up our shrimp. Well, see, the idea here is when you stick anything in flour, then egg, the egg will actually stick better. So we're just gonna flour the shrimp up, get it everywhere, make sure, because we want to make sure that panko is everywhere. And then we go into the egg, get the egg everywhere. It'll just cling right to the flour. And then into the panko crumbs. Let that drip. And guys, we left the shell on the tail, so we have a little handle to work with, but just get that everywhere. And I think leaving the shell on the tail makes for good presentation too. But press it, get it in everywhere, turn it over. This might be the hardest part of the whole thing. Just making sure you got your panko everywhere. And that's one. So here's the rest of them. And we let these sit for about 7 minutes, 10 minutes or so before we put them in the fryer. Guys, we're just gonna drop this in. Just kind of drop it away from you. And boom, in like about 3 minutes, we're gonna have some shrimp. Some coconut shrimp. I'm doing these in batches of like 4 or 5. Don't want to crowd the pan. And once they come up to the top, they're ready to come out. Now, shrimp doesn't really take long to cook, but once they look like this, that's it. So easy. All right, we're gonna put these off to the side, and then we're gonna get done with the rest, and then we'll come back. All right, we went this Thai sweet chili sauce. We're gonna dip it in that. I don't know if I like tartar sauce here, but I think tartar sauce is appropriate. But guys, here's our plate. Here's our little flyover. Definitely give this a try. It's worth it. I mean, I probably would put a little extra coconut in it, but it's easy schmeezy. And guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, these Panko crumbs, the coconut flavored Panko crumbs, give it probably about an 8. It comes out crunchy, it's good, it's delicious. Definitely worth a try. So now, let's send you over to the Just Cook the Damn Food. And these were delicious. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. All right. Take a look at these other videos and let's get cooking.